can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control.
Hello from Miami. Our adventure starts today, guys. So excited. Hi. Hello from the Carnival Celebration, guys. We're here for a one-week cruise. We've got a friend of ours whose daughter is getting married, and we all took a trip with them. It's about 60 people in our group. We don't know all 60 people, but we're excited about what this week brings for us. Today is embarkation day or boarding day, and we're just kind of walking around the cruise ship, getting ready to sail. The sail away party is already started, and I don't think we sail out for like another 15 minutes. It's about 3:45 right now. Going to our room. And we are in our cabin. We are on the 15th floor, and we've got an extended balcony. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. And we're also port side. There's my honey, Marky Mouse. Got a king size bed, and right here is the balcony. Let's see, let's see. Oh my God, it is extended. Wow, this is very, very big. Got the lounge chair right there. We have 2 seats and a really cool little table, so we can have food here if we want to. We love breakfast in the balconies. And there's our room. And there is the view. It is spectacular. The extended balconies were a little extra. You can actually get a regular balcony for, I think it was about $200 less. But we wanted some extra space because we know we love to have breakfast on the balcony, for example. So when you look on this ship, the balconies that are the extended ones, the larger ones, they actually come out a little further. And there's only about 3 or 4 floors or stories that have those extended balconies in them. We're on the 15th floor, which is the last floor with rooms, as I understand it. And then right above us on the Lido deck is where all the fun is. The pool, the food, the partying. It's all right above us, so we just have to go up 1 story or 1 floor to get to the good stuff. There's actually a roller coaster, guys, right up there. Hey, the boat is going on. Guys, it's called the boat, and you can see that it's running right now. I'm not sure if you saw it, but they've got the roller coaster running. We've got this area here where you can play some basketball. They've got a whole climbing area. And then here's the coaster, but it's not on right now. This is all where the roller coaster passes through. And then here you've got a little mini golf area. But that's all where the coaster, so it goes on the outer parts, look at that, of the ship. So here's a seat for the coaster. Oh my God. And it's called
Baby, you gonna go with me?
The Boat. I am not doing this with you. My honey's gonna be riding that all by himself. Right behind me is actually the Serenity area. It's the adults only area, but right now it's very quiet. But we're about to get a view of the front of the ship. Oh my God, look at this, how awesome. Look at that. It's beautiful. out at sea right now. We can still see the Miami skyline. I'm also testing my new microphone, and I'm going to use this cruise to test it and see how it all sounds. There's our current view as we sail away. That was great. So we tried out for Family Feud, and we'll see if we got it or not. So we are at dinner for the first night. I didn't bring my microphone right now. It's charging, so I don't know how this is going to sound, but we are a huge group, guys. I'm just going to pan around so you see. We kind of have like the backside of the dining area where we're at, and our appetizers are here. There's my honey. And then that whole table is ours, and then that table. And then this is our table right here, so it's all of this area. So I got the strawberry cream, and my honey got some chocolate with ice cream on the side. We're headed to the comedy bar right now, or the comedy club. Oh my God, look at all these sweets I just realized they have here. They have a whole candy store on board. Here is the coffee bar, Java Blue. We're headed to the club with the young kids. So guys, day one is almost over. We're gonna head to the bar, as I mentioned, to go hang with the kids, dance a little. Actually, the nightclub, not the bar. But so far, day one's been really good. Don't forget, this is gonna be a series.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.